Did you hear? Frontline Books need our help. Don't let another melanated business go down. They talk about buy black, Frontline Books. Go on Frontline. They have great book bundles that you can buy for yourself or even send as a gift. They talk about giving back, Frontline Books. They talk about paying forward, Frontline Books.
This is Save-the-Frontline, the CEO of Frontline Books and Craft in downtown Hyde Park, Chicago. I'm making a call out to members of our community in Chicago and across the US and even globally that we are going through an economic depression at this point in time, and because of the COVID-19 and now the growing inflation. So we are calling on ones to come out and give support, not by giving any handouts, but at least by. This is our flagship store situated in Chicago in Hyde Park for the last 17 years, and we are the longest surviving bookstore here in the line for the last 35 years. One could buy one and therefore could donate it to a friend or to yourself. Of them are $50 bundles, so you can call in, go on our website.
I bought my book bundle. How about you?